ready to get aboard the Christmas train? It's all here. Smoke coming out of stack. Skaters. A little town. Merry Christmas. J.D. Smith Insurance Building. A Christmas train. Here we go. Well, it's getting pretty dark. Boy, the sun is going down. Let's see what the town looks like in the dark. Oh, they're still skating away. Well, Smith's office lights are still on. I guess they're still working. Look at all the colors on that place. Well, looks like everybody's ready for Christmas. We even got the candles out. We haven't hung any stockings yet this year. But the fireplace is already. And Mother's got the Christmas tree all together. No presents under it though. Oh, there's one. And then there's the fish tank. It's really looking good. Well, Mr. Train's getting all wound up. So we're looking forward to Christmas. Hope you are too.